Here at Mersen, we offer many solutions to comply with UL 508A panel needs while offering products with the newest features to make your panel safer and more compact. I'm holding one of our new second generation Class J fuse holders. This is a traditional open style fuse holder for Class J fuses, and they're DIN rail mountable with integrated dead front covers. Have them inside the panel here as well.
So it's really just a refreshment of the older open style, so it's a little bit more compact. You're going to get that integrated, as Amber showed, the integration, but you also have that lockout tagout capability as well on the cover plus the base.
And they also have a dovetail design for integrating both 2-pole and 3-pole into interlocking configurations.
All of those would have UL AC plus DC and CSA listings throughout the whole line.